welcome back to another video. Okay, today I just received my visa to go to the UK, and that really slapped me into reality, being like, girl, you're actually going to the UK to study. Like, that's actually crazy. Like, I can't believe I'm actually going to university. Like, this is insane. I'm all adult now. I'm not a child anymore going to high school. So I went shopping today for everything that I need to go to the UK. If you guys don't know, I live in Singapore and I've been living here for 18 years. So I don't really have the necessities I need to go to the UK. And if you guys didn't know, I'm actually leaving Singapore in a week. Right now it's like, I don't know, but I'm leaving Singapore in a week on 20th September. My flight is then. Anyways, me and my mom already started packing a bit for traveling. Since I went shopping today for uni, I'm going to show you guys a little haul of what I got to prepare for university in the UK, to prepare for the weather, the hygiene products, like everything that I bought that I think I would need for university. So guys, don't mind my hair. I look crazy right now because I just woke up from a nap. I mean, I always wake up from a nap. Okay, so let me give you guys the haul of everything that I got. First part of my haul is I bought this laundry bag for me to bring to the UK because, you know, I gotta organize my laundry and stuff like that. So I bought this huge laundry bag, and then I bought this little cute plushie. It's so cute! Since I'm going to be leaving my family that I used to live with for 18 years, I'm gonna miss the company that my parents and my family provided me with. And I think this plushie will provide me with the support. Whenever I miss my parents, I'll just hug this plushie and think of them. You know what I mean? It's so cute, look at it. And it's so soft. I was like, I need to get it. Like, I need to bring it to the UK with me. So this is one of my favorite buys of today. And then I bought these slippers because, as you know, the UK is cold. I might get cold. My toes might get a little icy. So I bought these slippers and they're super soft inside. Like, they're so soft. So I'm probably gonna wear this around my dorm, like whenever I go to the kitchen, because I don't want the other people in my dorm to look at my nasty crusty toes. Ooh, look at my dog. So I bought these. Woo! Okay, these towels. I bought like 8 towels because my mom said I'll need them when I go to the UK. So the rest are just towels. Next part of the shopping haul that I did, oh, it's so heavy, is this huge bag full of clothes from Uniqlo. Guys, one of the things that I hate the most is going shopping for clothes because I find it so annoying whenever I have to just like put clothes on and off. Like, it feels really tiring to me. But today I forced myself because I have no winter clothes. I only have summer clothes because Singapore is always so hot, so I don't really like wear any winter clothes. So okay, so the first piece of clothing that I bought is this long denim skirt. It's low-key giving like Ajuma. Okay, I know you guys are probably like, what is this? But I feel like if I style it well, it'll look okay. You know what I mean? It's giving casual wear. So I bought this long pair of denim skirt. Okay, next are these two, what is this actually? High neck. Okay, I bought a high neck long sleeve t-shirt because my mom said I'll need it. And then this crew neck long sleeve t-shirt. This one is in the color off-white, and this one is in the color gray. So I bought 2 of these. Next, I bought this pants. I'm gonna wear it during the December season. Oh my gosh, I'm genuinely so excited to finally experience snow and winter and like actually experience the Christmas season, because Singapore is always summer, so it's like I never really got to experience the winter Christmas season. And I'm gonna wear these Christmas pants during the December season. Ta-da! And also because last time I tried to buy these during Christmas, they were all sold out, so I had to buy them when it's not Christmas. Okay, next is these pants. Okay, the thing is, these pants are actually set with a hoodie on top, but the hoodie looked really, really ugly on me, so I was like, hell no. So I decided to just buy the pants. You guys are probably wondering, Zoe, why are you buying so much? It's literally because I have zero winter clothes. Like, all of my clothes are just summer clothes. And I bought this little, what is this even called? It's called a shoulder bag. Just so I can carry it around, put in a few of my necessities as I go around. And also because apparently in the UK, people can just like snatch your phone or like your wallet if you're just holding it. And I'm like, whoa, like I need to make sure like I keep my necessities safe. So I bought this bag so no one can rob me. I'll have it all in this bag. If you're gonna rob me, rob this bag. Next is another pair of the same pants previously, but in the color black. Oh. Okay, and then I bought, this isn't very winter clothes, but I bought this dry fit. Is it dry fit? Bra camisole. I bought one of these so I can just wear it inside instead of a bra, and then wear just like winter clothes outside because I don't want to wear a shirt. And then this another pair of the black long shorts, but this is for my mother. She will be coming with me to London in the first week to help me and organize all my stuff. Okay, so that's it for now. That's everything I bought for today, but I'll see you guys when I'm packing again. Hey guys, it is actually the next morning, and guess what came? My luggage that I'm going to be bringing to London. Let me show you guys. Oh. Whoa! It's so big. Oh my gosh! Ta-da! It's in the color green. Look, it's so pretty. It's from American Tourister. I already packed like the first luggage, and then there's a second luggage, and then there's the third luggage that just came. Everything that I bought yesterday is in the luggage now. Like the shoes, the towels, and this is all my skincare that I'm bringing with me because I gotta prioritize my skin in London, you know what I mean? I'm gonna design the luggage so I know it's mine because sometimes my luggage gets like a bit lost, so okay, let's open it. Ooh! It's so big! I love this color. This color is so slay. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! I have these cutie stickers that I bought from Korea that I'm going to be pasting on the luggage. It's like little cartoon animals. Okay, but the thing is there's like patterns on the luggage, so it's making it hard to paste. Oh, it's so cute! Look, guys. But when the luggage comes out, it usually faces this way, so I'm gonna paste a few stickers on this side as well. This cartoon animal says, 내가 해냄, which means I made it. Literally, I made it, guys. I made it into university, so I'm gonna put it here. 가보자고 means like let's do it. By the way, this is advice for everyone or anyone who hasn't gotten into uni yet. I just want to let you guys know that it will work out. Everything will work out in the end. When I was doing IB, I literally thought I wouldn't get in anywhere. I was like, no college is gonna accept me. Like, I'm literally like on the verge of crying. But trust me, you guys will all make it. Everything will work out the way that God is planning for you guys. So don't worry, don't compare yourself, don't be like, oh, they already got into uni and I haven't. For me, I got my results very last minute as well. University, keep your head up, have fun. You can only experience high school once, so make sure you enjoy your time in high school. Don't stress yourself too much about university. Like, enjoy yourself, but study hard, and everything will work out well. I'm here for all of you guys.